If you want to enable USB debugging on POCO F8 Pro or POCO F8 Ultra, what you need to do is you need to go to settings. Over here in settings, we're gonna go to about phone at the top, and we need to keep tapping on OS version until you need to enter the screen lock password. And after that, you should see this information that you are now a developer. So we're gonna go back to settings, scroll down to additional settings, and then in here you should be able to find developer options. Then in developer options we can scroll down a little bit in order to find the debugging section where we can find USB debugging. And if you enable this, if you try to enable this actually, you will have to select that you are aware of possible risks, and then after 10 seconds you can press this OK button. And also in addition to that, we have additional USB debugging for security settings, so if needed you can turn this option on as well. And that is pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.